If you want to blur the background while taking photos on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can just open the camera, and then over here you can switch to the portrait mode. The portrait mode allows you to automatically apply the blur to anything that is not in the focus. In this case, I don't have any good example over here, but we should be able to tap on the blur over here in order to adjust the strength of the blur. Of course, it also works for the front camera. In here we can find the blur option as well, but usually it works the best if there is a face detected or a clear, huge subject. Well, a subject that is essentially standing out from the background. Then this is when the blur effect is working the best. So be sure to check out the portrait mode. Over here, tap on the circle button on the left side to adjust the blur. And there are also some additional options that you can go through in case you want to try them out. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.